full script with markers. Must be 1,500 plus words. Midnight hook. What if I told you there's a $5,000 passive income rule that could change your life? That's right. Today we're going to build a system that generates $5,000 in passive income per month. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky dream. It's a tangible goal that you can achieve with the right strategy. And guess what? You won't find this information in the best personal finance books or apps. This is insider knowledge that can set you apart. 030 Why this matters. So why does this matter? Because achieving $5,000 in passive income per month can provide you with financial freedom. Imagine being able to cover your monthly expenses without having to work a traditional job. This level of income can give you the flexibility to pursue your passions, travel, or simply enjoy life on your terms. But here's the catch. Most people don't know about this rule because it requires a combination of smart investing, leveraging AI tools, and understanding the stock market. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlock this potential. 30 prerequisites. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you'll need. First, you should have a basic understanding of investing and personal finance. If you're new to this, check out our previous video where we tested 10 stock market tools and found only 3 that really work. Second, you'll need access to a reliable investment platform like Fidelity or Robinhood. Lastly, you should be open to learning about AI-powered analysis tools that can give you an edge in the market. With these prerequisites in place, let's get started. 2 o'clock step by step. Step 1, building your investment portfolio. To start, you need to build a solid investment portfolio. Focus on high-growth stocks like NVDA, MSFD, and PLTR. These tech giants have shown consistent growth over the years and are likely to continue performing well. Allocate a significant portion of your funds to these stocks. Remember, diversification is key, so don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider adding some defensive stocks and bonds to balance out your portfolio. Step 2, leveraging AI for stock market analysis. Next, it's time to leverage AI for stock market analysis. Tools like Claude AI can provide you with insights that humans might miss. For example, Claude AI can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that indicate potential stock movements. This can help you make informed decisions about when to buy, hold, or sell. Don't underestimate the power of AI in the stock market. It can give you a competitive edge and increase your chances of success. Step 3, implementing passive income strategies. Now, let's talk about implementing passive income strategies. One effective method is dividend reinvestment. When you receive dividends from your stocks, reinvest them back into the company. This allows your investments to compound over time, increasing your overall returns. Another strategy is to invest in real estate through REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs offer a steady stream of income through rental payments and property appreciation. By combining these strategies, you can create a robust passive income stream. Step 4, monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Finally, it's crucial to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly. Keep an eye on the performance of your investments and make adjustments as needed. Don't be afraid to sell underperforming stocks and reinvest in more promising opportunities. Staying proactive and adaptable is key to achieving your $5,000 passive income goal. Osumhogin Pro Tips. Pro Tip 1, stay informed. One pro tip is to stay informed about market trends and news. Follow reputable financial news sources and join online communities where you can learn from experienced investors. Knowledge is power, and staying up to date can help you make better investment decisions. Pro Tip 2, embrace long-term thinking. Another pro tip is to embrace long-term thinking. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Instead, focus on the big picture and the long-term potential of your investments. Patience and discipline are essential for achieving financial success. Pro tip 3, utilize tax-efficient strategies. The third pro tip is to utilize tax-efficient strategies. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks. These accounts offer tax benefits that can boost your returns and help you reach your $5,000 passive income goal fast. 9 o'clock results and next steps. And there you have it. By following these steps and implementing these pro tips, you can achieve the $5,000 passive income rule. Remember, this journey requires dedication and persistence, but the rewards are well worth it. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the Sisters' Revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it.